3 small words. Endless confusion. Either, neither, and rather. You've heard them 100 times, but do you actually use them correctly? Most learners don't, and the mistake is always the same. Today we fix that, step by step, with real conversations, real examples, and 0 complicated grammar rules. Stay with us. Welcome to Listen and Speak. Today's topic is 3 words that create big confusion in English. Either, neither, and rather. Before we explain anything, listen to this.
Honestly, I planned to relax this weekend, but I ended up cleaning my apartment for 5 hours.
5 hours? That doesn't sound relaxing at all.
It wasn't. I either clean everything perfectly or I don't clean at all.
Did you catch that? He just used either naturally in a real sentence. That's exactly what we're going to learn today. Not grammar rules, real life English. Either has 2 main uses. Let's start with the first one. Listen to these sentences, then repeat with Stewie. I don't like spicy food.
I don't like spicy food either.
I'm not tired.
I'm not tired either.
I didn't watch the movie.
I didn't watch the movie either.
Here, either means also not. We use it at the end of negative sentences. Now, the second meaning, either for choice between 2 options. Listen. You can sit either here or there.
You can sit either here or there.
We can watch either a comedy or a thriller.
We can watch either a comedy or a thriller.
Either means one of the 2, not both. Now repeat all 4 sentences. I don't like spicy food either. I'm not tired either. You can sit either here or there. We can watch either a comedy or a thriller. Neither means not this one and not that one. 0 options, listen and repeat. Neither option is good.
Neither option is good.
Neither tea nor coffee.
Neither tea nor coffee.
Neither the manager nor the employees were ready.
Neither the manager nor the employees were ready.
Now, notice the pattern. Either goes with or. Neither goes with nor. Let's practice that. Either A or B, 1 option. Neither A nor B, 0 options. Now, let's use neither to agree with a negative sentence. This is very common in conversation. Listen carefully. I don't like horror movies.
Neither do I.
I didn't finish my homework.
Neither did I.
I can't swim.
Neither can I.
I won't go to the party.
Neither will I.
Notice the verb changes every time. We copy the helping verb from the original sentence. Am, is, do, did, can, will. Now repeat them all. Neither do I. Neither did I. Neither can I. Neither will I. Both can agree with a negative sentence, but the structure is different. Listen and compare. I'm not happy with this project.
I'm not happy either.
I'm not happy with this project.
Neither am I.
I don't understand this lesson.
I don't understand either.
I don't understand this lesson.
Neither do I.
Both are correct. Either at the end is easier, neither at the beginning sounds more advanced. If you're a beginner, start with either. When you feel confident, try neither do I. Now repeat both versions. I'm not happy either. Neither am I. I don't understand either. Neither do I. Rather is used for preference. We say would rather, or in conversation, I'd rather. After would rather, always use the base verb. Never use to. Listen carefully. I'd rather stay home tonight.
I'd rather stay home tonight.
I'd rather sleep early.
I'd rather sleep early.
I'd rather eat at home than go out.
I'd rather eat at home than go out.
I'd rather watch a movie than read a book.
I'd rather watch a movie than read a book.
Notice the structure. I'd rather, then verb, then another verb. Both verbs are base form. Never to. Now repeat. I'd rather stay home tonight. I'd rather sleep early. I'd rather eat at home than go out. I'd rather watch a movie than read a book. Now, let's fix the most common mistakes. I'll say the wrong sentence. Stewie gives the correct one. Then you repeat the correct version. Wrong, I don't like pizza too.
Correct. I don't like pizza either. I don't like pizza either.
Wrong, I don't want neither option.
Correct. I don't want either option. Or, I want neither option. I don't want either option.
Wrong, neither I am ready.
Correct. Neither am I. Neither am I.
Wrong, I would rather to go home.
Correct. I would rather go home. I would rather go home.
Wrong, I don't want tea and I don't want coffee also.
Correct. I want neither tea nor coffee. I want neither tea nor coffee.
One important rule, neither is already negative, so never say don't and neither together. Choose one. Now repeat all the correct sentences. I don't like pizza either. I don't want either option. Neither am I. I would rather go home. I want neither tea nor coffee. Now let's see all three words in real, natural conversations. Listen first, then repeat with Stewie. Conversation on choosing dinner. Do you want pasta or sushi?
Either is fine. I just want to eat something good.
I don't like sushi, actually.
I don't like sushi either. I'd rather have pasta.
Conversation 2, weekend plans. Do you want to cook at home or order fast food?
Neither. I'd rather eat something healthy tonight.
Good idea. I'm not in the mood for fast food either.
Neither am I.
Conversation 3, work situation. Your boss says you can work Saturday or Sunday. What do you say?
Option 1. Either day is fine.
Option 2, neither works for me, I'm afraid.
Option 3. I'd rather work on Sunday, if possible.
3 different answers, 3 different attitudes, flexible, unavailable, preference. Now shadow the full conversations with Stewie. Either is fine, I just want to eat something good. I don't like sushi either. I'd rather have pasta. Neither. I'd rather eat something healthy tonight. Neither am I. Either day is fine. Neither works for me, I'm afraid. I'd rather work on Sunday if possible. Now I'll say a sentence. You respond out loud before Stewie does. Ready? I don't like waking up early.
I don't like waking up early either. Or, neither do I.
Do you want tea or coffee?
Either is fine. Or, I'd rather have coffee.
I can't drive.
Neither can I.
I didn't enjoy that film.
Neither did I. Or, I didn't enjoy it either.
Do you want to go camping or hiking?
Neither. I'd rather stay home.
Repeat each response now. I don't like waking up early either. Either is fine. Neither can I. I didn't enjoy it either. Neither. I'd rather stay home. Quick note on pronunciation. Either can be said 2 ways. Either or either. Both are correct. Same with neither. Neither or neither. Choose one and stay consistent. Confidence matters more than accent perfection.
And remember, these small words make a big difference. When you start using either, neither, and rather naturally, your English instantly sounds more advanced, more fluent, more confident. Here's your challenge for today. Create 3 sentences. 1 using either, 1 using neither, and 1 using would rather. Say them out loud. Write them down. Use them in a real conversation today.
If this session helped you, subscribe to Listen and Speak. We have more episodes just like this one on the way. Leave your 3 sentences in the comments. We read every single one and love seeing your progress. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. See you in the next one.